How can a foreigner approach you in public for a date without making you feel uncomfortable? What's the first thing you look for physically when a man shows interest in you? Would you rather be approached in public or online? Do you feel more pressure when a foreigner asks you out compared to a Filipino guy? What's your name and age?
Jalsa 20 po.
How are you tonight?
I'm fine.
She looks like she's very shy. Her mama is waiting. But here's the question. How can a foreigner approach you in public for a date without making you feel uncomfortable?
First, for me, I will feel not uncomfortable when he approach me like saying hello, introducing himself for me like with formal properly and with respect.
That will make you feel comfortable. Okay, asking you formal and with respect. Can you give us example, like a question that he could ask that will make you feel comfortable?
Um, like how's my day? Like gonna say like
Like, hello, how's your day? Like that.
yes po.
Okay. What's the first thing you look for physically when a man shows interest in you?
Maybe my
He's
I maybe his face like how he looks like that.
what kind of face?
Handsome.
Handsome. Would you rather be approached in public or online?
Public.
Okay. Do you feel more pressure when a foreigner asks you out compared to a Filipino guy?
Yes, it was pressure then.
Okay.
It feels pressure to me.
You're still studying, right?
Yes po.
May we know what's your course?
BSH po.
What's your name and age?
Princess, I'm 31.
She doesn't look like she's 31 years old. So, Mom Princess, here's the question. How can a foreigner approach you in public for a date without making you feel uncomfortable? Make believe you are in a restaurant, okay? And then he's there, he saw you, and you had eye contact together. How can he approach you? How you make you feel comfortable?
Yes. Simply, I'm smiling and basta smiling lang. Tapos, confidence. Confidence.
Okay. He must smile at you and be confident. What's the first thing you look for physically? Physically, ma'am. Okay, physically, when a man shows interest in you.
Simply. Simply, ay pwede bang Tagalog? Simple lang siya basta yung kahit hindi siya maitsura basta simple lang siya yung totoo siyang magmahal, totoo yung love ganun.
Okay. Simple. It doesn't have to be like he's handsome, no. As long as he's simple, he knows how to love like that. That's it. That's what you're looking. Okay. Okay. Would you rather be approached in public or online?
Ah,
Public or online?
public.
Okay. Do you feel more pressure when a foreigner asks you out compared to a Filipino guy? Nape-pressure ka ba kung ang foreigner ang maghapot sa imo na makipag-date sa imo compared to a Filipino guy?
Hindi naman siguro.
You doesn't feel pressured.
Nothing.
Okay. She doesn't feel pressure, but she's very shy. Okay. Mom, I have a question for you. Are you single or you're in a relationship? Because you mentioned you are 31 years old. So are you single? Pwedeng di ba mo yan? Are you single?
Single mom.
How long have you been single?
Single mom 2015 and now.
Since 2015, you've been single. Wow. Okay. That's a long time. Are you looking for a serious relationship now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you have kids?
Yes, too.
Two. Okay, how old are your kids?
16 and 11.
16 and 11. Oh, they're big already. May we know what's your job, ma'am?
Ex-abroad.
Oh, you're an OFW. Which country?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. So that means you're here for vacation.
Uh, another, ano?
You're here for vacation
Yes. Next, mag-apply ulit. Another company.
next year or what? Next month.
year.
Next year. Next year she's leaving again. Okay. Would you date foreigner, ma'am? Would you date foreigner? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, what's the oldest you would date? Yung pinakagurang na i-date mo? Anong age?
Siguro, depende. Okay din yung 40 plus or 50, 30. Basta hindi siya bababa sa sa edad ko. Kasi ayoko na magka-reveal kami.
So 40 years old and above, as long as he's not younger than you.
Kasi yung mga ganong edad, andun yung seryoso sa relationship.
Because she said that if you are like 40 years old above, that means you are in a like serious relationship, like you want a serious relationship.
Ano po, ma'am? Never pa ako nagkaroon ng yung sinasabi ng foreigner. Pero sabi ng mga kaibigan ko, try ko, ganun, ganyan. Baka nandun yung love.
Okay. So her friend said she should try to be with a foreigner because she never experienced, being in a relationship with a foreigner, and maybe that's the love that she's looking for. What is your name and age?
My name is Jinky, 20 years old.
How are you tonight, Jinky?
I'm fine.
Okay, so Jinky, here's the question. How can a foreigner approach you in public for a date without making you feel uncomfortable?
So I think when a foreigner asks me for a date without making me feel uncomfortable, I think when he talks to me in a pleasant way and without any words that can make me feel like he is a stranger that you can you can trust with.
Can you give us an example? Like, what should he say exactly?
I think when he asks my name in a pleasant way and ask respectful,
Like how?
um like, hey, can I be friends with you and ask you for a date?
Okay. That's it. Like, just be friends. Can I ask you for a date? Like that. Okay. So, what's the first thing you look for physically when a man shows interest in you?
um Physically, I think I would look for a man that tall and mestizo.
Mestizo, like dark skin, like that, right? Is mestizo dark skin or white skin, right?
White skin.
Yeah, lighter, I mean. I'm so sorry. Lighter. Like a mestizo, lighter. Okay. Tall and mestizo, lighter skin. How tall?
I think 6 footer.
How tall are you?
Five something.
So you really like someone who's really tall. Like a basketball player like that? Okay. This one, would you rather be approached in public or online?
No, I am not like that approachable to anyone. I'm like shy person.
So does it mean online? You prefer online?
Not really. Slight.
So I want an answer. Public or online?
I must prefer online.
Online. Okay. Do you feel more pressure when a foreigner asks you out compared to a Filipino guy?
I must be pressure when yes, personally when a foreigner approach me. I feel pressure. I felt pressured
Why?
because he's from another country and I am Filipino and I am more comfortable when a Filipino guy approach me.
Okay. May I know what's really the real reason why you feel, like pressured?
I think the our wait,
It's okay.
I can't explain it. Our nationality.
Okay, because he is from the other country, so because of that. Are you single or are you in a relationship?
I'm single right now.
How long have you been single?
Um, I think 8 months.
Are you still studying?
No. I'm taking on the job training.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, may we know what's your but your course before? Like, to give us an idea, what's your course before?
My course is hotel and restaurant and services.
Hello, what's your name and age?
My name is Rhea May and my age is 20 po.
How can a foreigner approach you in public for a date without making you feel uncomfortable?
I think for me, it's like you can approach me in a polite way, like hello, like what's your name? Like I want to be friends with you, like like that po.
Like the basic, like the hello, hi, like that. How about the tone of his voice? Do you have anything like in particular, like,
Casual lang po. No, not aggressive po.
or not too excited, right?
Po, yes po.
Would you rather be approached in public or online?
Not. No.
Public or online?
I think public. I'm not into online pa.
Okay. Do you feel more pressure when a foreigner asks you out compared to a Filipino guy?
Yes, of course.
May we know why?
Uh, in my preferences po, I'm more comfortable be asked by Filipino guy than a foreigner guy po.
Why?
I don't know. I think I am comfortable po.
Is it the language?
Maybe po.
Okay, the language. Are you single or are you in a relationship, Ria May?
I'm single po.
How long have you been single?
20 years.
Oh, so you're no boyfriend since birth.
Yes po.
And what course are you taking?
Engineering po.
So you must be very smart then.
Po.
Very humble.
No.
Yeah, okay. Engineering, it's like more on math, right?
Yes po. It's like my no choice.
My no,
My no choice dream. My no choice course pro. Ayun.
no boyfriend. Why is that? Like, why are you? No one is courting you or what?
Uh, I think I'm not ready for commitments lang po.
But there are some who are like, showing some interest.
Yes po.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much. Thank you. We really appreciate your time, Riyame. I said 1 minute. And just thank you, ba. Her friend is waiting too. Okay. Yes, we would like to interview you as well. She has a pretty face. Yeah, say hi, be. Say hi, be. Wave ka lang. Very pretty friends. Thank you, be. Thank you. You're welcome. Nice to meet you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection